Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video and lots of DIY hacks that will help you. This video will be handy for you as you will learn to create some startling skincare hacks and get to know surprising tips to make your skin clear and beautiful. Make sure you see this video till the end and share it with your friends. Let's not waste time and look at what we have here. Tea bag magic. When it comes to the skincare routine, your eyes need something extra to keep them tight and away from puffiness. Summers are here and your eyes are screaming for attention. Take the green tea bags and put them under your eyes. Let your eyes rest for 5 minutes. It will bring your eyes coolness and freshness. The skin will be tightened and your eyes will be depuffy. Beauty with coffee. Coffee does not only have calming effects on your mental health and body, but it also has major outcomes on the skin. It can help you to get beautiful and soft skin. Number 1. Full body scrub. The coffee scrub will help you to minimize the cellulite in your skin. You can make your skin tight and beautiful with a scrub made in your home. Take 1 tablespoon of castor sugar and olive in a bowl. Add in grounded coffee and mix it well. Apply this scrub to your body and massage a bit to see the best results. Make sure you do a patch test before applying it to your body. Number 2. Oh. The eyes. Everyone wants a way to make the puffy eyes go away. But not many people know the correct hack to this at your home. Whenever you are making coffee, use ground coffee beans. Use the leftover coffee mixture on your eyes after cooling it down. Now, close your eyes and let them rest for some time. Rinse off with cold water and say bye to the puffy eyes. Number 3. Soft lips. You can make your lips soft and smooth by using some coffee. Take the coffee powder and add honey to it. Mix it up and apply it to your lips. Massage your lips in a circular motion. Let it rest there for the night and see the magic while applying the favorite shade of your lipstick. Number 4. Naturally radiant skin. Your skin will secretly thank you for this face mask. This mask will make your skin glow and you will also feel fresh. To make this mask, you need yogurt, honey, and ground coffee. Mix these 3 ingredients in your bowl and apply them to the face. You can also add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice if your skin is oily. Let your skin rest for 15 minutes and get the glow in this harsh summer. Skin and glowy skin. If your skin is harsh and dry, then you can this mask hack to make you happy and soft. Take honey and add cinnamon powder to it. You can also add crushed coconut flakes. Mix it all and apply the mask to your face. Let your skin rest until the mask dries. Wash it off and see the beautiful results. Heel the heels. You are going out for dinner and your favorite dress will look good on you. What shoes are you wearing tonight? I think high heel sandals will look fabulous with the dress. But wait, the cracked heels will not be good. What can you do about that? Do not worry, I have the solution. Number 1. Pumice stone solution. Take warm water in a tub and soak your feet in it. Moisten the pumice stone with warm water. Take out your feet and rub the pumice stone across the cracked heels. Make sure you massage in a round motion. Your feet will look clean and clear. Now, dry your feet and apply vitamin E oil to them. Number 2. Heel mask. In a bowl, take lemon juice and a half cup of sugar. Add in some vitamin E oil and mix. Apply this mixture to your heels and massage. Wash your feet. Now, take warm water in a tub and add a pinch of salt to it. Soak your feet in the tub and let them rest for 5 minutes. Wash your feet again, and you are ready to go. Paperwork. No one needs oily skin this summer. We all know that oily skin is very hard to manage. The makeup will not stay for a long time and starts to become black because of the oily patches. Also, there is a chance of getting acne because of a skin problem. But you do not have to worry about that. I have some hacks and tips for you. Number 1. You can get blotting papers from anywhere in the market. Take the blotting paper and place it on your face for some time. It will absorb all the oil from your skin. And it will also allow the skin to decrease the greasiness from your skin. Number 2. Honey is one of the most effective products given by God to keep the skin fresh. It helps to reduce all the oils from your skin and makes your skin moist. All you have to do is to take raw honey and apply it to your face. Let it rest for 10 minutes until it dries. Wash your face with light warm water and say goodbye to oily skin. Number 3. You can not only eat the eggs for breakfast, but you can also use them to reduce oil from your skin. Take egg whites in a bowl and add lemon juice to it. You can take 1 egg white and 1 lemon. Whisk it and apply it to your face. Let it rest until it dries out. Wash it out with warm water and see the results naturally. Number 4. Almonds are not only good for your brain health, but they are also good for oily skin. The almond scrub will help you to remove the impurities from the skin causing skin oily. Take grind almonds and add honey to them. Mix and apply to your face. Massage in round motions and wash away with warm water. See the results yourself. Fruity hand care. Nothing is better than natural care for your hands. It is 100% more efficient when you are using fruits. With all the natural ingredients, you can make your refreshing hand care routine. Take 4 strawberries, plain oats, and olive oil. Mash the strawberries nicely and put oats in them. Add in 3 spoons of olive oil and mix it well. Soak your hands full in the mixture and let them rest for 5 minutes. Massage your hands and rinse with warm water. Say hello to soft hands. No sunburns. The summer is already here and we all need something that can help us to prevent our skin from sunburns. Number 1. You can use the aloe vera hack to save your skin from itchiness and sunburns. Take small pieces of aloe vera and rub them on your skin. Rinse with water and that is all. Number 2. Yogurt is your best friend for the summer season. If you have sunburns, itchiness, or any redness on your skin, apply the cold yogurt and leave it for some time. It will help to reduce the inflammation of your skin. Wash it off with cold water. Dry your skin and apply moisturizer or a lotion to it. Number 3. How can you forget cucumbers in the summer season? The hydrating properties of cucumbers are exceptional for the prevention of rashes and sunburns. You can make a paste of cucumbers or you can use the slices on your skin. Blackhead removal. No matter what you do, the stubborn blackheads will never go. But now, you do not have to worry about them at all. You can remove these blackheads by using Vaseline. Apply the Vaseline petroleum jelly to your nose. Wrap it tight with the film wrap. Wrap the nose tightly for a few seconds. Now, use the washcloth to open your pores and remove the blackheads. Face filter. If you want to make your face fresh and shiny, you can use the coffee filters. Take the coffee filters and rub them on your face. You can also use them on your arms. Rinse your face and arms with warm water and become lovely in a minute. I hope you all find it helpful, and if you did, tell me about it by clicking on the like button. Let me know by commenting below on what you are going to try from these hacks. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. I will come back with another DIY hack video soon. Till then, try these hacks and live an easy peasy life.